Welcome to the next video in which our 3D views adventure will be finished. We will place the 3D views on the layout and see the different results. We check if the view is correctly in place, and this is the plan status, of course, with the additional floor, and we check if it yes, it fits the frame perfectly. And now we are ready to just go to the layout tab and we proceed doing the same for all of our views, the existing plan and the plan status. And we photo render the image from the view by pressing F10, of course. I presume you know that, but I just mentioned that. And save the file to the hard drive of your computer. Again, photo render the plan status. Save the file also. And we will go to the layout tab to show the first way of placing 3D views. It's by showing the path to the physical files. We place both of them. We remove the silly title. Of course, I think that ArchiCAD should make it by default, but I don't know. The title is the most unnecessary thing in the layouts, and usually you will have to remove it. We rotate the view, and of course we remove any unnecessary details from the picture, in this case the sky. We inject the properties and and align the views in the layout. We will reduce the size of both of them. And we type the headings of each view. In this case I type in Bulgarian existing plan, and the other one will be plan status. we will make a frame for the views, for the title of the views, of course, and make it even with filled edges. And we export the layout as PDF, of course, and save it to the hard drive. And I will show you that if you remove the files or move them to other locations, when you try to update them, you will of course not find it, and you will have to relocate them, which may be a problem in this case. That's why I will show you another way to do the same thing, where the 3D views and the renderings will be internal to ArchiCAD, not the external physical files, but internal. And I'll show you how to relocate them. And we will make, as you can see, we make a layout in which we will place another views, but not the physical renderings, but the internal ArchiCAD views. I will show you how it's done. We duplicated the folder, and we will change the 3D to photo rendering window, and in this case it will be the sign render from Maxon. And whenever you double click on the view, you will just go to the 3D rendering window. And again, do the same for the other view, which we just 1 minute ago duplicated, we will set the 3D to open in photo rendering window. And break the rendering. And do the same for the next 3 views. And now we're ready to go to the layouts, and we'll move the physical files we just saw before and place the views which we just created, which will be the photo rendering views. And whenever we place a view, it will just take its time to photo render it. And to place the same view, but the blend status. And we change the size of each view and rescale it. We will use a boundary frame so that the size of the view will be the same as the other view. And we can again move the old view to its old position. And in conclusion, I will say that the difference is that whenever you remove the physical files, the views that, or more correctly, the files that reference them in the layout will not find them. Therefore, you will not be able to update them. While if you use the same views but photo rendering views directly in the layout, they are internal for ArchiCAD and you can always update them and do other modifications for the views. And you can see the result. It's basically the same as before, but I can update it anytime. So thanks for watching, and I wish you inspiration in your work and life. It's Nicola from Art Pro signing off.